This is Google Antigravity. It is an AI-powered development environment for building and managing software. This guide demonstrates the download and installation process. Open your web browser. Go to the official Google Antigravity website. Choose your operating system and download the installer. Open the installer. Choose your preferred theme. Select the tools and the integrations you want to use. This is the main Antigravity interface, where you can manage conversations, access scheduled tasks, and navigate through different tools, menus, and workspace settings. Yeah.